How to meal prep for your weight loss plan. Cooking your own meals is one of the best ways to lose weight and improve your overall health. Packaged foods, takeout, and restaurant dishes often have hidden sugar and preservatives. Those ingredients can lead to weight gain, so it's best to choose ingredients yourself. But who has time to meal prep for your weight loss plan? If you have a few minutes every week, you do. Meal prepping seems intimidating, especially if you're looking at Pinterest. Stacks and stacks of fancy Tupperware containers, hours of work, tons of ingredients. It seems like way too much for one person to tackle. Well, with these steps, meal prepping is actually possible. All it takes is a little dedication and planning. Set aside one day a week to cook several batches of healthy meals that you can eat throughout the week. When you have healthy meals ready to be eaten, you won't be as tempted to go out for lunch or pick up takeout on your way home. Here's how to meal prep for your weight loss plan. 1. Write down your goals. You're much more likely to stick to your goals if you write them down. Plus, knowing your goals will help you choose what to eat. Working out a lot and want to build muscle? You need lots of protein. Trying to reduce your risk of diabetes? Prepare high-fiber meals. You can also try keeping a food journal to keep track of your progress. 2. Decide which meals to prep. Are you going to prepare breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, or all of the above? Look at your schedule. When are you the busiest, or most likely to crave something unhealthy? Those are the meals you should focus on prepping. If you find you never have time to eat breakfast, keep overnight oats in the fridge. If you regularly stop for pizza on your way home from work, have homemade guilt-free pizza waiting for you. 3. Choose a meal prep day. Make meal prep a habit. Choose a day of the week when you have a few hours to dedicate to cooking. Most people like to meal prep on Sundays, but choose a day that works for you. Schedule meal prep in your calendar every week so you don't forget or bow out. 4. Choose recipes. The recipes you choose should reflect your goals. In general, every meal should have a balance of protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Load up on veggies, too. Avoid sugars, especially refined sugar and artificial sweeteners. Here are some clean ingredients to include in your meals. Protein: chicken, turkey, ground beef, steak, pork, salmon, tuna, shrimp, eggs, lentils, tofu, black beans, pinto beans, chickpeas. Complex carbs: whole grains, whole wheat bread and pasta, brown rice, farro, quinoa, oats, sweet potatoes. Healthy fats: avocado, olives, almonds, cashews, nut butters, oils, avocado oil, coconut oil, olive oil. Veggies: leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, squash, acorn, butternut, spaghetti, bell peppers, beets, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, green beans, asparagus, mushrooms. Fruits: bananas, apples, berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, pears, oranges, mangoes, pineapple, melons, watermelon, cantaloupe. 5. Swap it out. If your favorite recipe calls for unhealthy ingredients, swap them out. You can use Greek yogurt instead of mayo or sour cream, honey instead of sugar, and whole wheat pasta instead of white pasta. 6. Get the right containers. You can use glass or plastic containers, but if they're plastic, make sure they're BPA-free. It's also a good idea to get stackable containers so you can save space. Many stores have deals on space-saving, portioned containers now that meal prepping is so popular. 7. Make a shopping list. Decide how many servings of each recipe you'll be making and write down what ingredients you'll need. That way when you hit the store, you can save money by purchasing bulk ingredients when you need to. You can also make your shopping trip 1,000 times less stressful and time-consuming. It's a win-win. 8. Go grocery shopping. Hit the grocery store, and buy only what's on your list. This is how to make a successful grocery shopping trip. You can even make your shopping trip extra productive by popping in headphones and listening to a podcast or audiobook while you tackle your list. Or, call a friend you haven't talked to in a while. Shopping doesn't have to feel like a chore. 9. Start cooking. Get to it. Turn on the oven, stove, or crock pot, put on Spotify or your favorite podcast, and start cooking. We have tons of great recipes for you to prep. Check out our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube for tasty recipes, clean eating tips, and healthy lifestyle resources.